There's no end to the activity and delusions of samsara. The more you do, the more they go on increasing. Animosity and attachment strengthen all the while, creating the causes for your own downfall. Turn your mind, therefore, towards the Dharma. If you can integrate the Dharma physically, verbally, and mentally, you have set out on the path to liberation and enlightenment. And at the moment of death, you will have no regrets. In this and all your future lives, you will go from one joy to the next. Visualize the one who is most kind and gracious, your own guru, inseparable from the Great Orgyen, at the crown of your head or in your heart. And generate fervent, longing devotion. Whatever happens, good or bad, happiness or sorrow, pray to your precious fatherly guru. Blend your own mind indivisibly with his and rest.